Risk management. Today I'm going to be talking about risk management in this video. I know risk management is something you must have been hearing from a lot of traders. Maybe you are in the Signal group and you must have been hearing from your mentor telling you to apply risk management in your trading. This I always tell my clients who are taking my signals in my Telegram channel. Each and every day I share signals to them. But I believe many of you don't understand what risk management really means. When you hear the word risk management, this simply means the strategies and practice that you apply in your trading to minimize your losses and to maximize your profits. How do you apply risk management in trading? You have to look at how you can put your stop losses and your profit targets. Because without this risk management in trading, you are putting yourself in a potential loss of your capital. And how do you apply risk management in your trading? Supposing you are given an entry to enter from a certain level and you are asked to set a stop loss. It is mandatory for you to set your stop loss in your setup. Reason is because this will limit the amount of money that you might be losing in that trade if it goes against you. And setting your profit target, it's also very important because the way the market moves, it moves in algorithm and it moves in one step to another. There is a certain level for rejection and there is a certain level where price will continue. This depends on if the market is a trending market or it is a ranging market. In a trending market, once you enter the trade, you must also have a level where you should be getting out of the trade. Because if you don't get out of the trade, when the price gets to a resistant level, it's going to reject back to your entry. And how do you manage your trade in this scene? In this scenario, you have to apply stop loss. And once you apply a stop loss in your trade, you must have been hearing your mentor or someone who is sharing signal to you telling you to move your stop loss to break even. Break even is another strategy to also minimize how much you can lose in a trade. For instance, maybe you enter a trade from a certain level, or maybe a buy, for instance, you enter a buy and the price is going in your favor at some point. You will also be told to put a profit target. Your profit target is where you should be getting out of the trade. And sometimes you must have come about across the situation whereby the price was close to your take profit and then it's rejecting back towards your entry. In this case, you have to move your stop loss to break even in order for you to minimize the loss. But I always advise you, every trader, to do this. Instead of you setting break even, it is best for you to get out of the trade because once the price comes towards your entry, you have no probability to know if the price will continue in your direction or it will go against you. Because if the price go against you towards your stop loss, you might get stopped out. Another thing about risk management is you applying your risk to reward ratio. First, before you get into a trade, you need to know the reason why you're getting inside the trade, and you have to calculate the amount of percentage that you are going to be putting in that trade according to your account size. For instance, maybe you have a $200 account and you want to calculate your risk to reward. You want to be risking at least 1 to 2% of your account. And in order for you to do that, you have to understand the number of lot size that you will be using in that trade. For instance, maybe you have a $200 account. You are not supposed to be risking more than 1 or 2% of your account. By doing so, you have to use the lowest number of lot size, maybe 0.01 in in 2 to 3 positions. By doing so, maybe you have a TP target. You have to set your TP1, TP2, TP3 by putting each and every one of your entries according to your TP levels. If you're using more than 1 cent lot size, this will give you even more reason to take some partial profit, because if you don't take partial profit and the price come back to your entry, you're going to lose your money, unfortunately. So by applying risk management, this will also eliminate your emotion during trading, because the moment the price is coming back towards you, you get emotional. This will play with your psychological mindset, and some people will hold their trade until it comes against them and hitting their stop loss. It is very important for you to use stop loss in every trade that you take, because without a stop loss, you are exposing yourself to a bigger risk. Once the price goes against you and it goes maybe 100 pips against your entry and you are hoping to see the price coming back towards your direction. Hope doesn't work in trading. Strategy work in trading. You have to have a proper trading plan and a proper strategy. You have to understand the reason why you are getting inside the trade, and you have to know the exact time or the reason why you should be exiting that trade. Apply risk management in all your trade. And another thing is, don't shift your stop loss. This happens to a lot of traders. This has happened to me too while I was learning, because we don't want to lose money. We want to make sure we make profits in the market. And unfortunately, when the price is against us, we tend to hold losses than we can hold a profitable trade. When the price goes against you and you're not using stop loss, you might lose your account before you know it. So it's very important for you to apply risk management in all your trade. And don't you ever try to shift your stop loss because you are hoping that the price might return back to your favor. So risk management is very important. I hope this video will teach you how you should be applying risk management in all your trade. It is very important. Don't trade without risk management. Thank you. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, put your comment below and ask any question. I will respond to you. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you like and follow. Thank you.